Today is Saturday, December 2nd. This is the 1972 Cadillac Eldorado neutral safety switch. This is for my friend Randall. The unit has been opened up and completely restored. Prior to the restoration, I had tested it, and in the park position, there was no electrical continuity on the two primary prongs for the park position when the unit is parked. So I've gone ahead and restored the unit, and now I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. We have basically three connectivity points on this unit, and I'll be testing all three. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply power. And we'll be looking for the light bulb to come on over here. And it does, and that indicates that when we are in the extreme left park position, we have electrical continuity, as indicated by the light bulb. If I go elsewhere, the light bulb goes off. Okay, back to park, the light bulb comes on. So we have nice free flowing motion. Now I'm going to go ahead and test the extreme left position. And again, the light bulb comes on. Okay, I go to the left, it goes off. If I go to the extreme right, it comes on. Now the final position's in the center. This is basically the neutral position for the car. Obviously the light bulb is off. I'm going to go ahead and align it into neutral, and the light bulb comes on. So we've tested all three of the primary positions for the electrical continuity of the 1972 Cadillac Eldorado neutral safety switch. This will be going to my friend Randall. As soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This 6-prong variant was used primarily from 1971 through 1976. This is 1972 specific, but they're the same all the way through 76. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1978. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, which I've also rebuilt Randall's 72 Eldorado tilt and telescopic steering column, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, December 2nd. Thank you very kindly.